Welcome to FaxSIPit Fax for Microsoft Teams, the fastest way to send and receive faxes right inside your Microsoft Teams workspace. There's no need to use an outside web portal. Everything happens within Microsoft Teams. Once installed, you'll have instant access to your fax dashboard, where you can view received faxes, send new ones, check sent fax reports, and view your account details, all in one place. Sending a fax is simple. Enter the recipient's fax number and upload your documents. Many file formats are supported, including PDFs, Word files, and multiple image types. Need a cover page? You can add one in seconds with your name, company, subject, and message. Then just hit send, and you can track your fax status immediately. Receiving faxes is just as easy. New faxes appear right in your app marked as new or read, and you can preview or download them at any time. The app also supports FaxSIPit's powerful shared lines feature, so you can choose exactly which line to send from, making it great for business teams with shared or departmental fax accounts. With seamless integration into Microsoft Teams, FaxSIPit Fax is designed to make faxing as quick and easy as sending a chat message. Try it today and bring modern convenience to your faxing, directly inside Microsoft Teams.